Gate.
The capital of Germany is an expansive city, so if you only have 48 hours in Berlin, I recommend sticking near the city center. The first thing I suggest seeing is the Brandenburg Gate, which is one of Berlin's most iconic structures. It's the only surviving gate in the city and has come to symbolize Berlin's Cold War division between East and West, as well as unification. Checkpoint Charlie sort of epitomizes the cheeky tourist attraction. You likely won't spend much time here, but it is interesting to see the famous crossing between East and West Berlin. The Berlin Cathedral is another iconic structure in Berlin. Its magnificent dome can be seen throughout the city skyline. The water feature and grassy areas make it a great place to take a break from all the sightseeing. You'll also get a stupendous view of the cathedral from one of the river cruises, which is an excellent way to see the city while getting a different perspective. While little of the Berlin Wall still remains, there is a section called East Side Gallery, where talented graffiti artists have beautified the wall for all to enjoy. The interfacing section appears to be more for traditional taggers. Museum Island is a unique ensemble of buildings in the heart of Berlin, boasting 5 large, world-class museums. Bebelplatz is one of Berlin's most attractive public squares and is the site of some of the city's checkered past. It was built in 1740 after Berlin's old city fortifications were removed. It's also home to one of the best hotels in Berlin, the Hotel de Roma, which is both hip and elegant, with a fantastic rooftop deck to take in those city views. It's also perfectly positioned to walk to all the sites listed in this video. Very near to Bebelplatz is another beautiful city square called Gendarmenmarkt. With nearly 2,500 bars and pubs in Berlin, you can't visit without trying some German beer. If you only have 48 hours in Berlin, the zoo might take a bit too much time. But if you can squeeze it in, the Berlin Zoo is one of the most comprehensive in the world, with over 1,300 species and over 20,000 animals. It opened back in 1844 and attracts over 3 million visitors a year. One way to save a little money in Berlin is to get their welcome card, which gets you free public transportation and discounts at various attractions, tours, museums, restaurants, and more. The cost for a 48-hour card is just €23. If you only have 48 hours in Berlin, this list will provide you some great memories and photo ops. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more road trip travel videos. So until next time, we'll see you on the road.
MikeRoadTrip.com